See this cute little bead ring that I made? Let me show you how it's done. So here I have taken two different color beads. One is purple and one is a little brownish. I should have taken another color because at the end of it I felt the contrast was not that visible. Anyways, the string will be double of my wrist size. Okay, just for an approx, in case if you all want to know what or how much length of the string you should take. And this is the nylon string, which is very thin. So I will be passing 4 beads through the string. Now I'm putting 2 on each side of the string, but you can just put it all together in one string because it's the start. And thereafter you will insert this other colored bead through one string and cross the other string from inside. So it should be looking somewhat like a X when you cross it. And once you have crossed it, take the string from the back of the previous bead as shown in the video. You can do this simultaneously, but since this is the initial stage, I would prefer doing it together. So just pass it on the other side as well through the back of the previous bead like this, and then pull the string tightly together, and you will have a shape which looks like this. So this is your half flower. 2 more purple beads and that completes your one flower. So 1 purple bead on each string like this, and that's it. And this is how your flower looks when the strings are held together. For the strings to be held together, 1 other color bead on both the strings to be passed together like this, not crisscross, together they will be passed in one line, and that will hold the shape of those petals or your flower that you formed initially. See, and in the same way, same pattern, I am going to create a line of flowers. The process is same, so let me show you once I have completed a few of these flowers. So 2 beads on one string, 2 beads on the other string, same process, nothing, no difference. That's why initially I put it on separate beads so that you all will know how the process runs. Then a separate color string, pass through one bead, and from the opposite side of that bead you will pass the other string, a cross pattern like this. Pull it hardly together. Okay, then you will take the string on the previous bead, the purple bead that you'll see before this other colored bead. You will pass the string from the back of it forward. Okay, the same you'll do on the other side. Pass it from the back of it to come forward. You can put this video on slow mode and watch it. I have just put it on a fast mode so that we can finish the video soon. And then pull it tightly, and this is what shape you will get. Done. Once you have this shape formed, you have remaining 2 beads to add, each on one string, this side and that side, and then together on both the strings you will add the different colored bead. See, nice, right? It's that simple, very easy to make, just that it consumes a little time if you're using your fingers to put in the bead. Now I'm done with this bead work that I was doing, the flower thing, and to know if this is the exact size, I will turn it around my finger in this way. And once I see that the ends are meeting exactly in this way, I will do an end crisscross, you could say knot. So I'll pass the string through the opposite side of the starting point of this ring in this way. See, it's all come together. That's it. Don't let the string loose, else everything will come off. Okay, now your ring is formed. Now is the process to tighten up the ring. Thereafter, from the back of the previous bead, before the purple bead that we inserted, there was another purple bead. We will pass the string from the back of it, and then the loose end of that string, you will pass it through that loop and form a knot. Now this knot you will do on both the sides. So one side I am done with the knot, and the same thing you'll do on the other side. Both your strings will come together. That's when you tie a crisscross knot. You can tie 2 or 3 knots. Here I am tying 2 knots on the video to just show you all. You all can even tie 3 knots. And if you all want, you all can even add a bit of fabric glue at the end of the knot so that it will all stay in place. That's it. The knot is tied and our ring is formed. See, this is how cute it looks. I have not cut off the extra string that is attached. I just wanted to show you. I was very excited to show it on camera. So I have not cut off the excess of the string that is there. So let me remove that string which is there. Just cut it off. See that it's not cut off till the extreme end, else the knot will loosen up. That's it. And then you slowly pass it through your finger. Isn't that cute? Tiny beads really look nice when you make some kind of jewelry. So friends, do let me know in the comments how did you all like this ring making video, and for more such videos do not forget to subscribe. Bye.